Hello everyone, it's Songling here. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making Pavlova, which is a meringue-based cake topped with whipped cream and fruits. It's named after a famous Russian ballerina, Anna Pavlova. It is said that the inspiration of this cake came from her beautiful costume for the dance, The Dying Swan. Here's everything you need, and as always, you can find the list of ingredients and amount in the description box below. We are going to make both a full-size pavlova cake as well as two mini ones. Also, you can really make pavlova with any fruit you like, but for today's video, we are using citrus fruits. Alright, let's begin by making the meringue. Preheat the oven to 230 degrees Fahrenheit or 110 degrees Celsius and separate the whites and yolks of 4 large eggs. We're only using the egg whites today, but don't worry, I will show you how to turn these yolks into delicious crème brûlée in the next video. Wait for about 30 minutes for the egg whites to come up to room temperature and beat them using a stand mixer on high speed for 2 minutes or until soft peaks form. With the mixer on, gradually add the granulated sugar 1 tablespoon at a time. Beat until the mixture becomes smooth and glossy. Also, when you lift the whisk attachment, there should be stiff peaks. Sift the cornstarch into the mixture and add in the lemon juice together with some vanilla extract. Use a spatula to gently fold everything into the meringue. In order to get a better looking cake, I drew a circle on the back of my parchment paper as a guide. This is completely optional, you can shape your pavlova however you want. Also, I put a small dollop of the meringue mixture in each corner of the baking sheet to help the parchment paper stay in place. Spoon the meringue onto the parchment paper and use the back of the spoon to make a large ball in the center for holding the whipped cream later. Transfer the meringue into the oven and bake for 1 hour and 15 minutes. Once the timer goes off, turn off the oven, but leave the meringue inside for another 45 minutes to an hour. And when that's done, take it out and transfer onto a wire rack, and again let it cool for 2 more hours. During this time, let's get our fruit ready. First, cut off the top and bottom ends of the orange, and with the fruit standing upright on your cutting board, cut the skin and white pith off with your knife. Continue all the way around until there is no skin or pith left, and then slice it crosswise. Now, did I scrape off and eat the flesh left on the skin? Maybe. Repeat this process with all the fruits until you get a gorgeous looking citrus platter just like this. In a clean and chilled bowl, combine the cold heavy cream, sugar, and vanilla extract and beat with a hand mixer until soft peaks form. Spoon the whipped cream onto the meringue cake and then arrange the fruit slices on top. Decorate with some mint for a pop of color, and if you want, garnish your pavlova with some shaved dark chocolate. Cut yourself a slice and enjoy. The meringue cake has a crispy shell, but it remains fluffy and marshmallowy on the inside. Besides being visually pleasing, the acidity of the citrus fruits helps balance the sweetness of the meringue, and it just brightens up the whole dessert. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you have any questions and subscribe so you won't miss any of my future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!